Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring drinks that taste great but also do wonders for your health. Ever thought about how what you drink can boost your well-being? We're on a journey to discover how certain beverages can help protect and repair your nerves. Imagine sipping away stress, easing nerve pain, and making your nerves stronger, all with delicious drinks. It might sound too good to be true, but stick around. We're about to share the best drinks that can make it happen. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Our nervous system is the body's command center. It's made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The nervous system works by sending messages, or electrical signals, between the brain and all the other parts of the body. These signals tell you to breathe, move, speak, and see. For example, your nervous system keeps track of what's going on inside and outside of your body and decides how to respond to any situation you're in. It regulates complicated processes like thoughts and memory. It also plays an essential role in the things your body does without thinking, like blushing, sweating, and blinking. Join us as we delve into our first on the list, chamomile tea, a drink cherished for its calming and healing properties. Chamomile tea is more than just a relaxing beverage, it's a powerful ally for nerve health. Chamomile is like nature's tranquilizer, packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. These properties help reduce nerve pain, alleviate inflammation, and promote relaxation, easing the stress on your nervous system. Research suggests that chamomile can protect nerve cells and support overall nerve health. It's also known to improve digestive health, enhance sleep quality, and boost overall well-being, making it a gentle yet potent elixir for your entire body. To enjoy the benefits of chamomile tea, aim for a cup or two daily. Here are some delightful ways to incorporate it into your routine. Steep chamomile tea bags or dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5-10 minutes to enjoy a soothing cup of tea. Add a touch of honey and a slice of lemon for extra flavor and a calming boost. So, steep some chamomile tea, relax, and let its soothing benefits work their magic on your nerve health. Let's explore the wonders of green tea. People all over the world have cherished this drink for centuries, and we are about to show you just why it's so special for the nerves. Green tea is like a superhero beverage, packed with antioxidants that shield us from harm. One of its key components, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, has been shown in studies to help nerve cells grow and speed up healing after injuries. In simple terms, every sip of green tea could help your body fix its nerves naturally. Green tea also contains amino acids like L-theanine, which can boost brain function by helping nerve cells communicate better. Research even suggests it might help grow new neurons and make existing ones stronger. Plus, green tea has been linked to better brain function, weight loss, and reducing the risk of heart disease and some cancers. If you want to add green tea to your daily routine, aim for 2 to 3 cups a day to get the most benefit. Green tea isn't just a drink, it's a versatile protector for your nerves and a key ingredient for a healthy life. So go ahead, brew a cup, and toast to the amazing benefits of green tea. Next on our nerve-nourishing journey is a vibrant blend, Pomegranate Juice, a delicious and powerful drink for protecting and rejuvenating our nerves. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, including punicalagins and ellagic acid, which safeguard nerve cells from free radical damage. Research suggests that pomegranate juice may also promote the regeneration of neurons and improve memory and learning, highlighting its neuroprotective effects. In addition to its nerve health benefits, pomegranate juice supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and boosts overall vitality. It's a nutrient-packed, low-calorie elixir for your entire body. For a daily boost, enjoy a glass of pure pomegranate juice for a concentrated dose of antioxidants. You can additionally blend pomegranate juice with other fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes and a splash of water for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Next on our journey to nourish your nerves is the spinach and kale smoothie, a powerful blend that turns your greens into a tasty elixir. Each sip of this vibrant drink supports fortified nerves and overall health. Spinach and kale are packed with nutrients essential for nerve health. These leafy greens are rich in vitamins B6 and B9, pyridoxine and folate, which help create myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves. Myelin ensures efficient signal transmission throughout your body, and without it, nerves are more prone to damage and slower to repair. Kale also provides vitamin K, which supports nerve health and neural protection, while spinach offers magnesium, crucial for proper nerve function. Beyond nerve health, spinach and kale smoothies offer numerous other benefits. These greens are high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness that helps with weight management. They are also rich in antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals, and contain anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. Start with 1 cup of packed spinach or kale and adjust to your taste and nutritional needs. To add some zest to your smoothie, blend the greens with fruits like bananas, berries, or apples for natural sweetness. It's a delicious and efficient way to boost your nerve health. So ready your blenders, gather your greens, and raise a glass to nerve-nourishing, taste bud-pleasing smoothies. Now let's dive into the refreshing world of coconut water, a natural hydrator with a host of benefits for your nerves. Coconut water has long been enjoyed in tropical regions, and its remarkable properties make it a standout in promoting nerve health. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, including potassium and magnesium, which are essential for nerve function and muscle contraction. Potassium helps maintain the electrical conductivity of nerve impulses, ensuring smooth communication between nerves. Magnesium supports neurotransmitter release and muscle relaxation, which are crucial for optimal nerve function. Additionally, coconut water contains antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative stress and damage. Incorporating coconut water into your daily routine is easy and refreshing. Mix coconut water with fresh fruit juices or herbal infusions to create a refreshing and healthy mocktail, perfect for any time of day. So, crack open a coconut, blend a hydrating smoothie, or mix up a refreshing mocktail, and let coconut water nourish your nerves and invigorate your body. Next on our nerve-nourishing journey is a vibrant blend, orange carrot ginger juice. This tangy, sweet, and slightly spicy drink is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that help prevent and repair nerve damage. Oranges are the star of this juice. They are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects neurons from oxidative stress, a major cause of nerve damage. Vitamin C also helps produce collagen, which maintains the protective covering of nerves. Carrots add their own benefits with a high supply of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. It is crucial for nerve health, aiding in the repair and maintenance of neurons. Studies suggest it enhances nerve regeneration after injury. Ginger brings anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce nerve inflammation. It also improves blood circulation, ensuring nerves receive the nutrients they need for optimal function. Beyond nerve health, orange carrot ginger juice offers other benefits. Its antioxidants boost the immune system, protect against heart disease, and promote good vision. Ginger aids digestion, and the fiber from carrots supports a healthy digestive system. A good starting point for consumption is 1 8-ounce glass per day, but adjust according to your dietary needs. To make this juice even more interesting, try adding fresh turmeric for an earthy flavor and extra health boost. In essence, orange carrot ginger juice is a harmonious blend of flavors and nutrients that support nerve health. So, squeeze those oranges, grate that ginger, blitz those carrots, and enjoy a glass of vibrant, nerve-nourishing goodness. Our journey of nerve health elixirs brings us to the vibrant blueberry smoothie, a delicious and healthful drink perfect for protecting and rejuvenating our nerves. Blueberries are the star here, packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive color. These antioxidants fight oxidative stress, a major cause of nerve damage, protecting nerve cells and aiding in repair. Research shows blueberries can enhance neural signaling and support neurogenesis, the growth of new nerve tissue. In addition to nerve health, blueberries offer numerous benefits. They promote heart health, improve skin, aid digestion, boost cognitive function, and support eye health. A blueberry smoothie is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie treat for your whole body. For a daily blueberry smoothie, aim for 1 cup of blueberries. To elevate your smoothie, blend blueberries with other fruits like bananas, strawberries, or mangoes for added sweetness and texture. Add a handful of spinach or kale for extra nutrients, or chia seeds or flax seeds for an omega-3 boost. A scoop of protein powder, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a splash of almond milk can enhance creaminess and nutrition. We explore the golden goodness of turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. This warm and inviting drink has been cherished for thousands of years in Ayurvedic tradition. Turmeric is like nature's superhero, packed with a powerful compound called curcumin. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a fantastic ally for your nerves. Research suggests that curcumin can protect nerve cells, reduce inflammation, and promote nerve growth, helping your nerves stay healthy and strong. It's also known to fight inflammation associated with heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and more. Plus, its antioxidants help your body fight off harmful free radicals, keeping you healthy from the inside out. To add turmeric to your daily routine, aim for 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder per day, easily achievable with a cup of turmeric latte. And don't be afraid to get creative. Spice up your latte with cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom for an extra flavor boost. So go ahead, sip on some golden goodness, and let turmeric work its magic on your nerve health. Next, we explore the vibrant world of beetroot juice, a powerful drink renowned for its nerve-nourishing properties. Beetroot juice is more than just a colorful beverage, it's a potent elixir for promoting nerve health. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerves, boosting their function and repair. Additionally, beetroot contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect nerves from damage, helping them stay healthy and strong. But the benefits of beetroot juice go beyond nerve health. It supports heart health, improves stamina, and detoxifies the body, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. To enjoy the benefits of beetroot juice, aim for a glass daily. Juice 1-2 beetroots with an apple and a carrot for a sweet and earthy drink that's both refreshing and nutritious. You can also blend beetroot juice with a banana, some berries, and a handful of spinach for a nutrient-dense smoothie that's perfect for any time of day. Add a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of ginger for an extra zing and additional health benefits. Last on the list is matcha latte, a powerhouse drink that elevates traditional green tea to new heights. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea that boasts even more antioxidants and nutrients than its brewed counterpart, making it an exceptional choice for supporting nerve health. One of the standout components of matcha is L-theanine, a unique amino acid known for its calming effects on the nervous system. Unlike the jittery energy spike from caffeine, L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness and provides a smooth, sustained energy boost. This makes matcha an ideal beverage for maintaining nerve health and overall well-being throughout the day. Incorporating matcha into your routine is simple and delicious. Whisk matcha powder with hot water until frothy, then add steamed milk of your choice for a creamy, soothing latte. Matcha smoothie. Blend matcha powder with a banana, spinach, almond milk, and a touch of honey for a nutrient-packed smoothie that offers a gentle caffeine boost. Matcha is not only a versatile beverage but also a powerful ally in promoting nerve health. Its rich content of antioxidants helps protect nerve cells from damage, while L-theanine supports calm and focused energy. By adding matcha to your daily routine, you can enjoy both its health benefits and its delightful flavors. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can be a delightful and effective strategy for maintaining and repairing nerve health. So, go ahead and brew, blend, and juice your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Cheers to the power of nutrition and the journey to optimal nerve health. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content.